You look like, you feel like, wow.
Yeah.
You make a difference.
Shaky start. You thought you were being kidnapped. Do I look like a kidnapper? I don't know.
No, I haven't seen you. So I didn't know who going to kidnap me.
Bless you. But you're in safe hands, and we're doing a wonderful transformation today. But we're going to be doing the eyes, the nasal labial folds. We're going to reshape the chin, make it more feminine. We want to shorten the distance with the philtrum. We'll do that by injecting the ala fossa, but also lifting your cupid's bow and giving you a bit more height in the cupid's bow. We're going to use Botox to just narrow down and relax the muscles in the nose. So narrow the nostrils, narrow the tip of the nose and lift it. We'll inject into the nasal septi over here just to give that a nice lift. And then we're going to use fillers to then reflect the light across here and make it look more slimmer as well. And then we're going to do some Botox as well in the frontalis, corrugators, and do a little bit of a brow lift, try and get the brow lifted a little. And then also just change the angle here. You're very full. How old are you?
I'm 64. I turned 64 in February.
Amazing, 64.
Yeah.
You look.
I was looking forward because I felt like my smile line was a bit because I smile a lot. So it's used a lot. And I said I need to refresh.
Yeah.
Because I'm kind of a little bit of public person.
Yeah.
And then I need to feel good every time that I have to, I'm meeting. Yeah. And it was my birthday, so my son wanted to treat me. He said, okay, mommy, what do you want to do? I said, I just discovered something aesthetic, is this and that. And he said, if you want it, go for it.
Amazing.
I like to look after myself. He said, if you are happy with it.
Yeah.
One was saying, oh, mommy, it's going to be a waste of money. Look at the money that you're spending. Yeah. I said, but we always have to please ourselves. This is the most important thing. So do what you really like to do because that's what you got after all.
Yeah, absolutely. Do what you want to do.